Hello everyone. In this video, we'll look at how to search in the Inspec database using the Thesaurus. Inspec is one of two major broad-based engineering databases in Dialog, the other one being Ei Compendex. And in addition to outstanding content, Inspec offers several specialized search tools, one of them being a thesaurus. And I'd like to show you how it works. So let's get started. In this example, we'll be searching for records about a type of surgical device designed for someone with an amputated limb. The idea is that an implant would go into the person's brain or neural system and allow them to control an artificial arm, including movements of a prosthetic hand and fingers, by using their thoughts. And to help create the search and make sure we're using the terms best suited to the database, we can use the thesaurus. In Inspec, we'll start in advanced search mode and click here on thesaurus. And in the pop-up box, I'll enter surgical implant and click find. This shows the result implants, surgical, but this is not the preferred term in the thesaurus, which we can tell because there's no icon next to it, as we'll see in a moment. When I click on this, we can see that the preferred term for surgical implants is prosthetics. It says here, use for implants, surgical. And also, we see this icon, which is supposed to be a pad of sticky notes. By clicking there, we can see some scope notes. And if we wanted to, we could select any of these related terms and add them to the search. Also notice that the thesaurus is hierarchical, so that for some terms, including this one, you'll see narrower terms nested within it. If we wanted to, we could select any of these, or if we select Explode, that would have the effect of searching on all of the included narrower terms, as well as on prosthetics, which would likely get us more results. For this demonstration, I'll just select prosthetics and then click Add to Search. This takes us back to Advanced Search, where you see that the term prosthetics has been automatically inserted as a search in the SU, or subject field, because that's how the thesaurus works in Inspec. We go ahead and click on Search, and we get a set of results. Now that the thesaurus helped us to create a good initial search, I'm going to add some terms. In the second row, I'll add brain or neuro asterisk. And when I hit search, I'll get a new set. Then I'll add hand or finger. And now I'm getting a good set of results. Next, in a separate video, I'll show you how we might narrow and refine this search further using another special tool in Inspec called classification codes. And I'll put a link to that video down in the description. But for now, here we've seen an example of how a thesaurus can be used in Inspec to help create an effective search by suggesting the terminology that will work best in this database for your search topic. Here are some links to additional resources, and as always, if you have any questions or need help, please feel free to contact us here at the Help Desk. Thank you for using Dialog, and enjoy the rest of your day.